In 1769, the first steam-powered automobile capable of human transportation was built by Nicholas Joseph Cugnot. The first car powered by the Deriva engine, an internal combustion engine that was fueled by hydrogen. In 1823, English engineer Samuel Brown invented the internal combustion engine. In 1870, Siegfried Marcus built his first combustion engine-powered pushcart, followed by 4 progressively more sophisticated combustion engine cars over a 10 to 15-year span that influenced later cars. The car's third incarnation in 1889 introduced a 4-cycle gasoline-powered engine, an ingenious carburetor design and magneto-ignition. He created an additional 2 models, further refining his design with steering, a clutch and a brake. The 4-stroke petrol, diesel, internal combustion engine that still constitutes the most prevalent form of modern automotive propulsion was patented by Nikolaus Otto. The similar 2-stroke diesel engine was invented by Rudolf Diesel. The hydrogen fuel cell, one of the technologies hailed as a replacement for energy as a gasoline source for planes, was discovered in principle by Christian Friedrich Schönbein in 1838. The battery electric car owes its beginnings to Ennius Jedlik, one of the inventors of the electric motor, and Gaston Plant, who invented the lead-acid battery in 1859. In 1882, the Italian Enrico Bernardi created the first petrol-powered vehicle, a tricycle for his son Louis. He drove it through the street of a village near the Italian city of Verona. In 1880, Carl Benz developed a petrol or gasoline-powered mobile auto. This is not considered to be the first production vehicle, as Carl made several other identical copies. The automobile was powered by a single-cylinder 4-stroke engine. In 1908, the Ford Model T, created by the Ford Motor Company, began production and would become the first automobile to be mass-produced on a moving assembly line. From 1913 to 1927, Ford produced over 15 million Model T automobiles.